Yes.
We are allowed to be proud of ourselves.
You better say that.
We are allowed.
Yes.
I'm so
happy. Yes. Yes. I'm happy. Because
Brother Cedric.
Listen. This is our time. Yes. When we make a change. Yes. When we conquer the world. Yes. You better say it.
It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make it right. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways.
But guess what?
No message could have been.
Make a change. The change. If he throws us off,
how I feel about you. Yes, Brother Cedric.
Amen. Praise God. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus. And all Hail Mary, Nam, and all of them.
Your hand, like,
and baby Jesus.
That's my house. Marlon, that's Victor's house.
Victor's just happily munching on his gummy worms.
This
Like,
is my facility. It's mine.
this is mine, y'all.
Neighborhood.
I'm just gonna continue y'all recording.
In the Bible, it says.
Yes, it does.
In the Bible, it says you can do all things through
That
God
Christ-
who gives you strength.
Amen.
Yeah, they call me.
We can do all
You better
things.
say it.
We can do this one
Yes, we
aspect.
can.
We can advance to areas.
Yes. Preaching this morning.
We're having a hype moment. Turn up. Turn down for what?
Come on the border. Come on the border. Hey, everybody, come down the border. Mesquite High School invited us. There was a hot guy. He invited us.
Actually, he just
No, he invited everyone.
No, actually, it was just Vanessa.
Come up to you and say, why can you come up to me? I'm good looking too. I'm good
He has a
looking too.
girlfriend, so it's not me. I'm ugly.
Yes.
So good like me. What are you singing?
I don't know.
We can't stop Miley Cyrus.
Can't stop.
Bad cause he's sweaty bodies everywhere. Hands in the air like we don't care that we lost. Have so much fun now. And we did really good anyway.
No, we didn't, but okay.
If you're not ready to go home,
I don't want to go.
come to on the border.
I want to go.
We're gonna eat empanadas and enchiladas and queso. Da-da-dee-da-dee. We like to party. Dance with Molly. You want whatever we want. This is our restaurant. This is our restaurant, and we can't stop. On the border, we can't stop. Who own this candy song? Cause you say it's us who eat these chips, and we can't stop. Whoa.
Vanessa for the camera.
Whoa, you eat things don't eat us. Won't take nothing from no waiters. Yeah. Anyway. Turn down for what? Sesame Street. And Big Bird too. Bert and Ernie.
It's some too.
His Sum, is that what he loves? Hey, Mr. Noodle on the track like, oh.
Hey, Cedric, so you know this is
I'm dead.
Oh, thank you.
His Sum. He loves his Sum.
The song is over now, but thank you.
Elmo loves his Sum.
Some.
I mean, he does.
I mean, he do. Elmo turns up, you know.
He has his own
Him and Mr. Noodle be dancing.
He's in his own world.
He be drinking.
What happened to the music? I mean, like,
Ugh.
But you got, I mean, like,
I was just saying she was